Hello Forex traders, welcome to another interesting video. All right, and I believe you guys are doing amazing. Guys, today we are going to make another withdrawal, and this is going to be the 6th withdrawal with FTMO. All right, I think we made 7%. All right, so guys, without further ado, we will go on my dashboard and make this withdrawal. All right, we will make this video real quick. Now guys, why do I do this type of videos? What is the motivation behind? The motivation behind is not to flaunt money or throw money at you guys. No, I'm not even at those levels yet. Let's be quite honest. All right, but I'm doing this for you guys to understand my journey so that you will see where I started from, even with the amount of money that I was withdrawing at the time, and now with the amount of money that I am withdrawing. Do you understand me? You guys can see the process. Are you guys with me? So that is the scope of this video, for you guys to know that, guys, trading, one, is real. Two, if you believe in trading and you give yourself to it and you really see that this thing is for you, guys, you will see results. It's just a matter of time. All right. So guys, that is it. I won't say more. I won't say much, guys. Let's go and do the withdrawal. All right. Here we are on my dashboard. All right, y'all already used to FTMO's dashboard. All right, so let's come to the account. Let's click on it, and you see, guys, this is where it is. All right, so I made all this money. The account went all the way down. All right, it went down quite a bit, and we took it all the way back up. All right, then we went all the way down, and we took it back up. All right, now, what do I say with this, guys? I will say it a million times. What I'm saying with this is, guys, if you have a strategy, know your strategy, trust your strategy, believe in it, and just keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it. The results will come. All right. If you want me to hook you up with my strategy, guys, reach out to me on Instagram. All right. And if you've watched the video to this point, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and become part of it. All right, let's keep on with the video, guys. So here we are. I'm just flashing through, the statistics, and you guys can see it for yourself. All right, this is everything you need to see. All right, if you guys are curious about something, you pause it and you see it. All right, here's where we claim the reward. All right, the 14 days, the 15 days is gone. All right, so we claim the reward. Oh man, this guy likes to flex. Go claim reward. Nah, keep on trading, man. Okay, so reward claimed successfully. Your reward has been processed. Check your email for confirmation. All right, let's see. I don't know. I think they will send me an email. All right. Yeah, exactly. It's the same more thing. All right. We've received your reward request and it is now being processed. We will notify you once the review is complete. Usually takes within 1-2 business days. All right. After the review is completed, you will be asked to provide the necessary transfer details. All right. So guys, that is it. And this is the first part of the withdrawal process. Okay. If this is your first time that you're getting a payout with FTMO and you want to understand how, the full detailed process is, guys, make sure you watch my first FTMO payout video. All right. I will put it somewhere here or in the description. All right. Also, I've done how to do, once you pass the challenge with the 5%ers, the things that you need to do. All right. And the same thing with Funded Pro. All right. So you guys can check the video in my page. And in case you've passed the challenge with one of these guys, you will see what is next. All right. The things that you need to go through, signing the documents here and there. All right, guys. So we will come back later and check FTMO's email that they wrote us. I will add the payment hitting my bank account so that you guys will see that one too as well. Okay. If you've not watched my previous video, make sure you watch it. My previous payouts video with FTMO, where we made 10% on a 50K account. Watch that video too. There is a lot of valuable lessons in that video. I will link it here. Make sure you watch it and you would enjoy it. All right. So guys, that is that. I will see you in a bit. All right. Hello guys. So this is the part 2 of the video of the withdrawal process. Okay. So as you all guys know, when you make the request for the withdrawal, FTMO sends you a mail to tell you that, okay, now you can make the withdrawal. Okay. you can collect your reward. So as you are seeing on my desktop right now, all right, FTMO is reminding us, as a matter of fact, to come in. As you guys can see, a reminder, all right? They are reminding us of the fact that we should come and withdraw our profit. Okay, so let's go into our dashboard on FTMO. Congratulations, all right, on your payouts. Let's show the certificates. Okay, $1,186. We come in here, start process. Okay, actually, it was more than that. All right, it was more than that. But I think I did something. I took a trade. There was this particular trade that I took. FTMO didn't like it. All right. FTMO didn't like it. I entered into the trade, let's say, I think 15 minutes before market closure. All right. And on Friday, when the market opened around, let's say 1, I closed the trade. They didn't like that. They wrote me a message. All right. They were kind. They wrote me a message, told me that, hey, you took this particular trade, which goes against our rules, so we will take it off your payouts. All right, that is why you see this amount here. All right, I'll put a picture of that particular trade and I will highlight to you that very trade that they deducted off my profits. All right, so that you will notice what I'm talking about. Okay, let's proceed here. Okay, we are taking it all. We are withdrawing a risk to reward almost 1:4. All right, so 4%, okay, which is pretty good. All right, pretty good. Now, when you have a bigger capital, all right, any amount you make from that bigger capital is quite decent. All right, I won't complain. I'm doing good. Okay, so here, payout channel, this is the one that works for me. So they have all these different options. So you choose the ones that works for you. Let's see if amazing. Okay, so guys, when you put in all your information, this is what they will tell you, all right, that everything is correct. All right, this area, no, I don't have anything specific to require. So proceed, please review payouts. All right, everything is good for me. All right, they just give you a review of how everything is going to be. So here I have to put in the authentication code. All right, submission shows invoice option. I always take it from FTMO. I want FTMO to generate my invoice. All right, accept and complete. Excellent. Your payout request has been successfully submitted. The processing time of your withdrawal varies. You will receive an email confirmation within 3 working days that your payout has been processed. Yes, they do it. All right. So that is how the payout process goes. All right. Now, challenges that I had in this payout. Honestly, I didn't have any particular challenge. All right. My strategy was seamless. Everything went according to as programmed. All right. The markets moved in my direction. The only thing that I did, the only mistake that I did, I won't call it mistake because it was my strategy telling me what to do at the time. But it did not help FTMO. Now, I could have anticipated the entry a little bit. All right. And that wouldn't have been a problem. It's the first time something like that happened to me. All right. But it's okay. It's a lesson. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep believing in yourself. If you're Forex trader, keep believing in yourself. And for now, I am making money with FTMO. All right. So will I recommend FTMO for you guys? Yes. I don't have any sort of affiliation with them. All right. Make sure you respect their rules, or else maybe you will not like the outcome and you might end up saying that, oh, they don't pay. They paid me. All right. Some other prop firms, I'm still struggling with them. I'm not going to mention names right now. I'm struggling with them in the sense that it's like they don't want to give me the money. They've ghosted me. But stay tuned because I will drop all those prop firms, their video very soon on my channel. All right. I'll put FTMO paying the money in my bank account screenshots in this video. And guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, become part of this community so that every new video that I drop, you guys will become benefactors of it. Having said that, I go by the name God's Boy, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.